Okay, students, as discussed in the morning of 5th of December, I told you that I'll be sending you across the option of how to which course to do, which free of cost course to do for Excel. As I told you, it's very important for us to know the basics of Excel before we go into more complex topics like data analytics and business analytics. So this is what I am proposing. I am sending you a link in your student WhatsApp group for MBA 23, 20, 24, 26. So I expect you to, each one of you, to sign up at Udemy. I think they also have a mobile app, but I suggest that you use the mobile app just to go through the videos, but ideally you should have it in your laptop. Mark this or bookmark this tab, and then start doing this course and start sign up at Udemy. And it's a very basic sign up you can do. As you can see here, this is my account. You can just sign up here and start the course. You say go to course, and then you start basically right from there are various sections, as you can see, right from introduction going up to there are 13 sections, and you will basically learn all of Excel from here and the basics of Excel. I will also teach you or tell you how I am doing this recording, which will also in future help you the assignment the way I was talking, as I had shown you in class, that on the background you will be able to open your Excel sheet and do the assignments. But for now, I want each one of you to sign up for this and start doing this course as soon as Monday, once your exams are over. So and I will be floating this survey after this, or you can say a poll, that how many of you have signed up for Udemy and at least done the introduction part. And you can share your screenshots, you can share various other insights if you have. I'll be wanting to hear some feedback as to what you thought about this idea, and if you have all kind of signed up for Udemy and are on your way to completing and becoming getting upskilling yourself and giving yourself an hard skill. So yeah, best of luck, and looking forward for an active participation. Thank you guys.